In less than 100 years, scientists predict that 1. Humans will run out of several valuable minerals, and 2. Our scientific endeavors will need resources. And this is where asteroid mining steps in. Asteroids contain an abundance of minerals, so how do we know what minerals are on what asteroid? Well, all objects emit electromagnetic radiation. This electromagnetic radiation is observable as a collection of light at different wavelengths, referred to as a spectrum of frequencies. Electromagnetic radiation is due to photons being emitted when the object's atom or molecule transitions to a lower energy level. The collections of these different transitions leads to a pattern known as spectra. The observed emission spectrum is unique to the chemical composition of the object. This technique is referred to as spectroscopy and is used to identify elements in the asteroid. A spectroscope is an instrument used to measure properties of light over a specific portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. It works by splitting radiation off the object into different wavelengths and thus helps determine the chemical composition of the object. Remember, asteroids are small bodies, so their internal compositions and the compositions of their surface are presumably similar. Let's talk about something else that can be used to identify asteroids: albedo. Albedo is a Latin word that is used to define the reflectivity of solar radiation off an asteroid. For example, the Earth is primarily covered in water, so it has an albedo of 0.3, whereas the Moon has an albedo of only 0.12. So we've gone over how to use an asteroid spectral type and its albedo to identify what the asteroid contains. And these two characteristics are very helpful in characterizing an asteroid using the common taxonomy known as the Tholen scheme. The Tholen scheme graphs the albedo of asteroids and its spectral type. There are 3 key types of asteroids. First off, we have S-type asteroids, which usually contain silicon-based minerals and may hold water. Next, we have C-type asteroids. These are carbonaceous asteroids and also may hold water. Finally, we have what are known as M-type asteroids. These asteroids contain metallic ores and may hold rare earth metals. JPL's small body database is a good place to start gathering the albedo and spectral types of asteroids. My prior research at a science fair was based on the idea of whether or not C-type asteroids are the best to be mined to find water. When in space, there's always a constant need for water. And remember, in asteroid mining, there's a role for everybody. If you like math, you can help with calculations to plot an asteroid's orbit. If you like science, then you can help to research the properties of asteroids. And if you like engineering, you can help to move things to the asteroid and bring them back to Earth, and also print infrastructures on the asteroid using 3D printing. I hope you found my talk interesting. Happy asteroid mining.